Shri Gurubhyo Namaha students, welcome to online class. Today I am going to discuss exercise 1.1. In that I am going to teach you how to find minor and cofactor. Right? Question number 1. Find the minors. Find the minors and cofactors of all the elements of the following determinant right? Say, listen carefully children, right? Following determinants. In 2 by 2 it is easy to find a minor, right? In 2 by 2 matrix it is easy to find the minor. In 3 by 3 you have to follow the steps, right? I hope you people understood, right? Minor of first determinant 5, 20, 0, minus 1. Okay, how to find the minor? Listen carefully children. Minor of 5, right? Minor should be represented by Mij. Minor should be represented by Mij. Now I am going to write minor of 5. 5 is located where? First row, first column. That means how to represent M11, right? First row, first column. Minor of 5. The number is located in the position of first row, first column. That means you have to delete the first row and delete the first column. If you delete the first row and first column, which element is exist? Minus 1. That is the answer. Right children? Again I repeat, which element you are selecting, that particular row and column should be deleted. The rest of the thing will give you the minor. The same way, minor of, listen carefully, minor of 20. 20 where is situated? First row, second column. That means M12. First row should be deleted, second column should be deleted, the rest of the element is what? 0, right? I hope you people understood, right children? Now, third one, minor of 0. Minor of 0. Where it is located? For second row, first column, right? Second row should be deleted, first column should be deleted, then what should be the rest? 20. So that is the answer, right? Next, minor of minus 1. Where it is located? Second row, second column. That means how to denote? M22, which is equal to, see, second row, second column should be deleted, only 5 is exists, that is the answer. I hope you people understood, right? Minor is nothing but which element you are selecting, that particular row and column should be deleted. What should be the rest? That is the answer in 2 by 2. Right, now cofactor. How to find cofactor? Cofactor is a signed minor. Right, cofactor is a signed minor. Cofactor of 5. How to denote? Aij, capital Aij. That means first row, first column. I told you it is a signed minor. Minus 1, the whole power I plus j. Here I is 1, j is 1. So how to write? 1 plus 1 into m11. Right? General formula what it is? Cofactor. General formula. Aij equal to minus 1 the whole power I plus j into mij. Here 5 is located in the position of first row and first column. That's why I and j should be replaced by 1, 1. Now, minus 1 the whole power 2. Power is even, so the negative become positive. M11 is minus 1, so your answer is minus 1. Next, cofactor of 20. 20 is located in first row, second column. So, A12 minus 1 the whole power 1 plus 2 into M12. Minus 1 the whole power 3. So, it is minus 1. M12 is 0. So, your answer is 0. Got it, children? How I am doing? You have to follow me. Cofactor of what? What number is there? 0 equal to, then 0 is located in the second row, first column. So, minus 1 the whole power 2 plus 1 into M21. What is your minor? Minus 1 the whole power 3. Odd integer. So, minus 1. M21 is what? 20. So, your answer is minus 20. Next, cofactor of minus 1. Cofactor of minus 1. Minus 1 where is located? Second row, second column. So, minus 1 the whole power 2 plus 2, that is even positive. M22 minus 1 the whole power 4. So, it becomes 1. 1 into M22 is what? 5. So, your answer is 5. Got it, children? How to find cofactor? How to find minor? Say yes or no? Yes. Now, I am going to move to the second subdivision. Right? 2 by 2 it is easy. 3 by 3 you have to listen carefully. Right? Second subdivision. Determinant 1 minus 3 2 4 minus 1 2 3 5 2. Okay. See, first minor of 1. Where it is located? Minor of 1. First row, first column. That means you have to delete the first row and first column. What should be the rest? The determinant 2 by 2 you are getting minus 1, 2, 5, 2. Now, how to find the determinant value? Product of main diagonal minus product of sub-diagonal. So, your answer is minus 12. Got it, children? Which element you are selecting, that particular row and column should be deleted. The rest of the thing will give you the minor. Next, minor of minus 3. Where it is located? First row, second column. That means first row and second column should be deleted. What should be the rest? 4, 2, 3, 2. Now, product of main diagonal minus product of sub-diagonal. So, your answer is 2. Next, minor of 2, first row, third column. That means first row and third column should be deleted. What should be the rest? 4 minus 1, 3, 5, which is equal to product of main diagonal, that is 20, minus of minus, so plus 3, which is equal to 23. Got it, children? The same way we are going to move to the next. Minor of 4, which is equal to, where it is located? Second row, first column. That means second row and first column should be deleted. What should be the rest? Minus 3, 2, 5, 2. Second row and first column should be deleted. Second row, first column. The elements exist as minus 3, 2, 5, 2, which is equal to minus 6, product of main diagonal, minus product of sub-diagonal. So, you arrive the result as minus 16. Next, minor of minus 1. Minor of minus 1. Where it is located? Second row, second column. That means second row and second column should be deleted. What should be the rest? Second row and second column should be deleted. What should be the rest? 1, 2, 3, 2, which is equal to 2 minus 6, product of main diagonal minus product of sub-diagonal. One is small, positive, negative. Do the subtraction and put the greater number symbol. Minor of 2. Where is located? Second row, third column. That means second row, third column should be deleted. What should be the rest? 1, minus 3, 3, 5, which is equal to 5, minus of minus plus 9, which is equal to 14. Got it, children? How I am moving? Next, you have to listen carefully. Minor of 3. Minor of 3. Where it is located? Third row, first column. That means third row and first column should be deleted. What should be the rest? Minus 3, 2, minus 1, 2. Product of main diagonal, minus of minus, plus product of sub-diagonal. So, your answer is minus 4. Next, minor of 5. Minor of 5. Where it is located? Third row, second column. Third row, second column. That means what should be the rest? 1, 2, 4, 2. Got it? Third row, second column. 1, 3, 4, 2. Which is equal to 2 minus 8 minus 6. Next, minor of what? Minor of 2. Minor of 2. Where it is located? Third row, third column. That means that should be deleted. Third row and third column should be deleted. What should be the rest? 1, minus 3, 4, minus 1, which is equal to minus 1 plus 12 equal to 11. Minor, you got it, right? Whatever element you are selecting, that particular row and column should be deleted. That is the concept. Next, I am going to move to cofactor, right? Cofactor is nothing but it is a signed minor, I said, right? Cofactor. Cofactor of 1 is equal to A11 minus 1 the whole power 1 plus 1 into M11. Now you see what is your M11? What is your M11? Minus 2, minus 10, minus 12, right? Minus 1 the whole power even integer, so it become 1. What can you get? Minus 2 minus 10. So minus 12. So your cofactor is minus 12. Got it, children? What we are doing? It is a signed minor, I said. That you keep it in your mind. That you keep it in your mind. Right? Next. Cofactor. Next. Cofactor of what? The element. Cofactor of, 1 minute, cofactor of minus 3 equal to A12 minus 1 the whole power 1 plus 2 into M12. M12 minus 1. Here your answer is minus 1. M12 is what? 2. So your answer is minus 2. Next, cofactor of what? 2. Cofactor of 2. That means first row, third column, minus 1, the whole power 1 plus 3, M13. Minus 1, it is positive, so 1. Here, M13 is what? Anyone? 23. M13 is what? 23. So, your answer is 23. Got it, children? Already we did the minor. That only you are going to substitute here, right? You have to check whether we did it correctly or not, right? We did it correctly, right? Next, cofactor of, you have to write, don't put colon, right? Cofactor of what? 4 equal to A21, second row, first column, minus 1 the whole power 2 plus 1, M21 minus 1, because it is a odd integer. What is your M21? Minus 16. So your answer is 16. Got it? Next, cofactor of minus 1, that is A22 minus 1 the whole power 2 plus 2, M22 minus 1 the whole power even integer, so it become positive. M22 is nothing but minus 4, so your answer is minus 4. Next, cofactor of 2. Cofactor of 2, that is A23, second row, third column, minus 1, 2 plus 3, M23. Here it becomes minus 1. What is your M23? 14, which is equal to minus 14. Got it, children? Still more 3 is there. Cofactor of 3. Cofactor of 3. That means third row, first column. Minus 1, the whole power 3 plus 1, M31, which is equal to minus 1, the whole power even integer. So it become positive 1. M31 is what? Minus 4. So your answer is minus 4. Next, cofactor of 5. That is third row, second column. Minus 1, the whole power 3 plus 2, M32. Minus 1, the whole power odd integer. So you get it as minus 1. What is your M32? M32 is minus 6. So your answer is plus 6. Cofactor of 2. That is third row, third column. Minus 1, the whole power 3 plus 3 into M33. Right? Minus 1, the whole power what? Even integer. which is equal to, I'll move to the next line, right, which is equal to 1. What is your M33? 11. So your answer is 11. Got it, children? Once again, I show you the minor. Right. Cofactor minor 11. So your answer is also what we did, that is correct. Right. Minor means what I said, which element you are selecting, that particular row and column should be deleted. Cofactor is nothing but it is a signed minor. It is a signed minor. Got it, children? Minor. One alone I will explain. Right? I am selecting minor of 1. That is first row, first column element. Then the first row and first column should be deleted. The rest of the entry is -1 to 5 2. You arrive the result as -12. The same way I did everything. I'll slowly scroll and show you. You have to understand what we did. Right? Got it? Cofactor is nothing but it is a signed minor. -1 the whole power I plus j into mij. If you are selecting A11, m is replaced by I is replaced by 1, j is replaced by 1. Like that we will end up. Right? Thank you, children. You have to go through the sum. If you didn't understand, you should ask me. I will explain again. Thank you, children.